Hi everyone, welcome to Dolby Pocket. Click on the Edit with Elementor on the page which you want to edit. Now select the section of the background image. Click this to select the section. Now go to the Style. Under the background option, you can set 4 types of background: Classic, Gradient, Video and Slideshow. Currently I am using the Classic option. So to change the image, click on Choose Image. Then select the image which you want to show as background. Now you can also customize the position of the image. Now let's say after changing the background image, text is not visible properly. So to make it visible, go to the background overlay option, select classic as background type, then select a color for overlay. Select the color which you like. Then set the opacity as per your requirement. Then click update file. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching Dolby Pocket.